Today we're taking a complete first look at the 2027 Honda CG125 Black Edition. With its aggressive black finish, premium graphics, and refined styling, this model looks more modern than ever. Feature 1: front turn signal and front fork. Starting from the front, Honda has equipped the bike with clear amber turn signals and strong telescopic front forks that not only improve the overall appearance, but also provide a smooth and stable riding experience. Feature 2: front headlight assembly. The classic square headlight design remains, giving the bike its iconic Honda identity, while offering excellent visibility for both day and night riding. Feature 3: front wheel hub and spokes. The chrome-finished spokes and polished wheel hub add a premium touch while maintaining the traditional styling that CG lovers appreciate. Feature 4: black side panel and exhaust. Moving to the side, the black side covers perfectly match the body color, while the chrome exhaust with a black heat shield enhances the sporty Black Edition look. Feature 5: handlebar switch controls. The handlebar switch gear is simple, practical, and easy to access, allowing riders to operate indicators, horn, and lights comfortably. Feature 6: rear wheel and chain cover. At the rear, the chrome chain cover and durable spoke wheel maintain Honda's signature style while protecting important components from dust and debris. Feature 7: engine cylinder head. The reliable 125cc engine features a neatly finished cylinder head designed for durability, efficient cooling, and long-lasting performance. Feature 8: foot peg and kickstand area. The rider foot pegs offer a comfortable grip, while the side and center stands provide stability whether you're parking in the city or on uneven roads. Feature 9: rear shock absorber. Chrome rear shock absorbers improve ride comfort by absorbing road bumps and keeping the motorcycle balanced. Feature 10: analog speedometer cluster. Honda continues with its easy-to-read analog speedometer, displaying speed, fuel level, and indicator lights in a clean and classic layout. Feature 11: rear seat and fender. The long, comfortable seat is ideal for both rider and passenger, while the chrome rear fender adds durability and a premium finish. Feature 12: kickstart lever. The strong kickstarter remains one of Honda's most dependable features, ensuring reliable starts whenever needed. Feature 13: handlebar and fuel tank design. The upright handlebar provides a comfortable riding posture, while the muscular fuel tank with bold graphics gives the Black Edition a fresh and sporty appearance. Feature 14: engine, rear section. The rear section of the engine is neatly integrated with the frame, reflecting Honda's solid engineering and clean mechanical design. Feature 15: taillight assembly. The large red taillight provides excellent visibility and maintains the classic Honda styling that riders trust. Feature 16: Honda fuel tank logo. One of the highlights is the elegant golden Honda wing logo on the fuel tank, giving the motorcycle a premium showroom quality finish. Feature 17: fuel tank side view. From the side, the sharp multicolor graphics contrast beautifully with the glossy black paint, making the bike look modern while preserving its legendary identity. Feature 18: full side profile. Looking at the complete side profile, the motorcycle delivers a clean, balanced, and timeless design that instantly reminds you why the CG125 remains one of the most popular bikes. Feature 19: rear three-quarter view. From the rear three-quarter angle, the combination of chrome black bodywork and classic proportions creates a stylish and premium overall appearance. Feature 20: engine side close-up. Finally, a close-up of the engine showcases Honda's legendary build quality, clean finishing, and the trusted 125cc power plant that has earned riders' confidence for decades. So that's our complete first look at the 2027 Honda CG125 Black Edition and its 20 premium features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.